Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit?
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the comedy kind of content
Yes, and this is life of a working couple.
and by filter copy.
Yes, so we all know that Filter Copy is a big channel, and they make funny videos, realistic kind of content, and we really like it. We always like follow Filter Copy videos, and I think we have done a couple of reactions, if I'm not wrong, one or two reactions we have done it earlier.
I think long ago.
Long ago. So yes, this is quite relatable with our life. So we thought, why not to give the reaction on that life of a working couple, how it goes, and how people think and what actually happens
Exactly.
in
And this
couples'
is,
life.
and this is not based upon work from home
No,
or
no.
whatever the situation currently going on. It's totally depends upon
The life.
the life when we used to go to office.
Yes.
During those kind of
during
scene.
those kind of time. So yes, let's get started. I am very much excited because I can see a lot of relatable things, and also people out there who are working couple, they can also relate their things.
Yeah, right.
So let's get started with this video. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं. लाइफ ऑफ अ वर्किंग कपल
Yes.
कैसा होता है?
Okay.
रोमांटिक. 6:30.
He's dreaming.
आयुष उठ यार, देख 9 बज गए यार. काम पे नहीं जाना है क्या?
9 बज गए यार, तूने पहले क्यों नहीं उठाया? 10 बजे की मीटिंग है मेरी.
मैंने नहीं उठाया.
स्टैंड अप मीटिंग.
अरे बरका कहाँ है?
मैं जा रही हूँ. देर हो रही
अबे उठता. मैं भी आ रहा हूँ. बरका.
फ्रिज में बस आलू और गोभी है, क्या बनाऊं?
डू जो भी है प्लीज बना दे. इस सुना शॉपिंग करके आ जाना. डोंट फॉरगेट.
फ्रिज में बस आलू है, बना दूं?
तो जो भी आप बना लो. बरका प्लीज शाम को सामान ले आना यार. जो भी आप बना दो प्लीज.
फ्रिज में ठंडा पानी है, उबाल दूं?
दैट इज वेरी रिलेटेबल.
Yes.
अरे भैया, मैं अभी घर पे नहीं हूँ.
वो बगल वाले शर्मा जी के वहाँ रखवा दीजिए ना.
दिस इज
कल
आल्सो.
छुट्टी.
तो उसके लिए एक्सटेंशन क्यों नहीं ले लेता यार?
हमेशा शर्मा जी.
अरे बेटा, तुम लोग तो अपने घर में रहते हो नहीं, इसलिए मैंने सोचा मैं ही तुम्हारे घर में रह लेता हूँ.
आओ, तुम्हारा ही इंतजार कर रही थी.
आज कुछ स्पेशल है क्या?
वेरी स्पेशल. आज ना हम टैक्स करेंगे. आयुष, 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 we've not done it in so long यार. अच्छा सुन ना, यूरोप ट्रिप का सोचा क्या? मुझे लीव भी लेनी है.
लास्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर.
अरे नहीं, मेरा सेमिनार है यार. फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जैन करें क्या?
नहीं यार, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी में तो बॉस छुट्टी ले रहा है, तो छुट्टी नहीं मिलेगी.
This
It happens.
happens.
Yes, right.
आई थिंक ये डेट परफेक्ट है.
है ना? 24th April 2015.
30 साल बाद लेट से घर आया.
डिवोर्स आयुष, डिवोर्स. तुम टाइम पे आ नहीं सकते तो प्रॉमिस क्यों करते हो यार? बेबी,
Reality.
आई अर्जेंटली नीड टू गो टू ऑफिस. आई एम सो सॉरी, पर आज रात डेट कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा.
कैंसिल.
ये बच गया.
यार मैं अकेले खाना खा लूंगा.
ए, चल खा लेना टाइम पे. ओके,
या.
बाय.
बाय.
यार ये संडे इतना जल्दी खत्म क्यों हो जाता है?
यार वो
That
क्या
was
है ना,
weekend
वो
pizza
बहुत
and all.
ऐसे घूमता है, तो फिर वो 24 घंटे का जो दिन है ना, वो थोड़ा
बोरिंग बातें कर रहा है.
When was the last time we actually got out and had some fun?
आई नो यार, हमारा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस काफी.
remember हम पहले कैसे पूरी रात बात करते थे? Then we used to go for drives. remember उस टाइम हम ऐसी मजे में लोनावला होके आ गए थे.
Yeah.
पनीर पकौड़े खाए थे, मैगी खाई थी.
चले.
कहाँ?
No.
फॉर अ लॉन्ग ड्राइव.
पागल है क्या? कल काम पे नहीं जाना?
अरे कल देखेंगे ना यार, चलना.
Are you
इतना
serious?
easy नहीं
Yes.
होता.
Serious?
Yes.
अच्छा फोन तो लेने दे.
गाड़ी
चल
तो
चल
चलाएगी.
चल चल चल.
कल का कल देखेंगे. This is not that easy. Okay,
Yeah.
because we have to sleep and have
Again,
to
we
prepare
have to woke up in the
for
morning,
Monday.
again get ready. Lot of the things, yes.
So that was very relatable, and I really enjoyed it. Like a lot of things, like 90%
But I missed
things is
a lot of the things. It was too much short video.
Ah,
It
it is a very
should be
small,
at least minimum 10 minutes.
a lot of things can they can input
Put
like
into it.
indulge. So we can also make this kind of video, no?
Yeah.
We can also make and share with you all. Even though like we are not that great actors, but yes, we can try. If you
yes.
want, you can definitely let us know. So yes, I think that is very hard for a couple who are working. Okay, because it is looking like very simple that yes, both are working, so they must
They
be earning a lot and
earning a
all
lot
kind
and
of
they
stuff.
had a
But
good life, but
no,
it's not
we
like
don't
that.
get time to talk even. We don't
Yes.
even get time to talk to our parents with our family, correct?
Right.
And that also becoming a lot of big issue that why you are not calling and all. So we have a lot of meetings to attend, we have a lot of seminar to attend, we have a lot of presentation to do.
Right.
So this
and after
is
that
kind
meeting
of
and
very
all
hectic.
everything, we have to do our personal work also.
Personal work
Not
also,
personal,
take
it's
care
office
of the
work
house,
only
office
also.
work only. So that is it is very difficult. And also that maid wala thing, that is very common.
That is
that
common.
me and he always like think like what to say,
what to cook
what
today.
to cook today. And our cook also says like what to cook. Fridge में तो सिर्फ आलू है और सिर्फ प्याज है. What to make out of that? And we are like, oh, okay, then make whatever you want.
Actually, it happens because we both are generally indulged to our office work, so
Yeah.
we generally tends
Don't
to
get
forget,
time. Yeah, tends to forget, yeah.
forget what we have to do, what we have to do, so shopping and all.
But to be very frank, like thanks to our cook, thanks to our neighbor who always take care of here also showing some parcel has come and they keep that person for us only who are
Yes.
working. So that is very good actually. At least they don't get irritated.
Right.
Sometimes happens when we go to office. Now we are working from home only, but that happens like every week, 3-4 days like lagatar
Amazon
parcels
or
are coming.
Flipkart delivery used to come.
Used
so,
to come, but our neighbors are very
Right.
gentle and very good that they always keep.
So at least that is good. But
That is very good,
From
actually.
our personal life, I think it's not good that much. And also weekend all earlier sometimes we used to go out and go to any shopping malls or
Now
somewhere
because of this
to
corona
just
only.
to amuse ourselves. But still on that also people thinks that we are enjoying our life too much.
We are enjoying. We are having dinner together like in outside. We
Yes.
are going
People
a lot
generally
of
thinks that
restaurants and
every
all. No.
weekend and all we are eating outside only.
No,
That's
no,
a
no.
very bad habit. But what to do? We
What
are
to do?
totally frustrated.
So that is the thing, but still we love our job and we love that what we do. Okay, we really love it, and yes, that is our life. Everyone's life is not perfect. We know that. We don't
And
get that
everybody
much time
in,
to.
in everybody's life there is a lot of struggle.
Struggle
always
is going
there.
on. Yes. So
in
everybody's
every-
life is beautiful.
Right. And in every
Okay?
phase of our life
Ah.
there will be a struggle.
There
and
will
you
be
have
struggle.
to deal with that.
Yes. So just enjoy your life. Be whatever like you have. Just be happy whatever you have. And yes, that is what like this is our life that we cannot enjoy that much. And because of this corona, nobody can enjoy. That is very true. Like when this pandemic situation will
No,
go
actually
off, we don't know.
we are talking about with respect to
With
this
respect to this,
particular this video.
But still Saturday Sundays we sometimes like get time to go out and hang out and chill, right? So now it is
It's stopped.
totally it is stopped actually. So this video I really like. What about you, Abhay?
Yes, I also liked it, and also we'll request Filter Copy to prepare one video on
Yeah.
what are the present scenario. We both are working from the home and how we are dealing at home itself.
Annoying and kind of stuff, right?
Yes, right.
Yes, I think that must be there. I'm not sure whether from Filter Copy or not. We can search and see.
Yes.
Okay, so please let us know what you think about this video. And yes, we really enjoyed it. It was a 10 on 10 because the girl and the boy, like Barkha and Ayush, they both acted so well.
Yes,
They are a renowned actor. I have seen them like a lot of times in TV and serials. They are a very
Are they
good actor.
couple or they are actor? Just
That I don't know, but they're actors actually from TV serials only. So yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Mr. Anurup, and he's commenting on Temper movie scenes reaction, and he's commenting, please react to Kamal sir movies and clips to know how deep is his knowledge in cinema and meaning of versatility. And he has given some list also. Vishwarupam, Vedyadu, Vilai Yadu, I'm so sorry, I cannot pronounce actually. Virumandi and Dasavatharam.
I think
Okay.
Vishwarupam,
Vishwarupam,
it
I
was
think
there in Bollywood also, same movie or
Vishwathma is there, no? Vishwarupam is there.
something similar I can sense.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
I
but
don't have any
yes.
knowledge regarding that actually.
So
yes, Kamal Hassan sir is a
very great actor
legend.
also.
He's a legend actually, and yes,
And actually,
we will be doing.
during the time of Chachi 420, we knew him.
Yeah, बापरे, that was very good actually.
Yes.
Okay, Chachi 420 तो मैं शायद 5 or 6 times I have seen already. I really like that movie. I really like that small child.
Yes. And
that
actually
girl.
during those time every week or during weekend
that movie
used to come in the
TV.
Yes.
So yes, we have enjoyed that movie a lot, and we know that Kamal Hassan sir is a icon, okay, for Indian cinema, you can say. So yes, we have a plan to give the reaction on him, his movies and everything. So soon we'll be like seeing, okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Mr. Anurup, for watching and for commenting on our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Raja Durai, and he is writing his comment on TikTok ban 59 Chinese app banned in India, reaction by Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. And he's writing TikTok app banned, I support. And yes,
Yeah.
we are also supporting
have to
this.
support.
That is a great initiative from the government of India.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Raja, for supporting. This is a very good initiative, at least for our soldiers, for the Indian security,
Yes.
and everything.
Right.
Okay, that is very
Those
good
guys who are
initiative.
betraying, we can't
cannot
we can't
tolerate,
make them into profit.
Yeah, correct. So yes, we also support, and yes, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Dilip C, and he's commenting on Race Gurram Telugu movie, a scene reaction, and he's commenting good reaction from you. Please react to Allu Arjun Rudrama Devi movie entry scene. You both will feel one day happy. It's a request. Yes, that is in our list. We'll be doing very soon. Rudrama Devi entry scene. Already, I think a lot of you, I think including you only have, requested for giving the reaction. And we really love the Rudrama Devi trailer.
Yes, and
that was
also
so
Allu
powerful,
Arjun sir's,
man. And
his expression and look was superb
get up
in
was
this
superb in
movie.
this. So a lot of you have suggested to give the entry scene, and he has not taken a single penny for that
Yes.
scene. Right? So yes, we are very much excited for that. We'll be doing very soon.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Dilip C, for commenting and for watching our videos. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.